The ice cracks. Meltwater slides across the basin in slow, quiet sheets, and then you see them. Skulls, femurs, rib cages bleached white by 1,000 winters, scattered across the rocky shore of a glacial lake so remote it takes a 5-day trek to reach it. This is Roopkund, a shallow pool at 16,500 feet in the Indian Himalayas, and every summer, when the snow retreats, it surrenders the remains of up to 800 human beings. They've been here since roughly the 9th century. No written record mentions them. No local legend fully accounts for them. And in 2019, when scientists finally extracted their DNA, the results didn't solve the mystery, they shattered every existing theory. Because some of these skeletons aren't from India. They carry genetic signatures traced to the Eastern Mediterranean, to people who share ancestry with modern Greeks. No one knows how they got here. No one knows why they died. And no one can explain why their bones share a lakebed with travelers who arrived centuries apart. At 16,500 feet in the Himalayas, a frozen glacial lake thaws each summer to reveal the bones of hundreds of people scattered across the shores, like the aftermath of a catastrophe no one ever recorded. Welcome to Roopkund, a place where every scientific answer only deepens the mystery. This is episode 4 of 7 in our Unexplained Science vs. Mystery series, exploring phenomena that continue to defy all explanation. If you missed episodes 1 to 3, catch them in our series playlist, link below. In this episode, we journey to one of India's most remote and haunting archaeological sites, Roopkund Lake in the Uttarakhand Himalayas, often mistakenly attributed to Peru. Discovered by a British forest ranger in 1942, this shallow glacial lake holds the remains of between 600 and 800 individuals who died in a single or multiple catastrophic events over a millennium ago. But here's what makes Roopkund truly unexplainable. DNA analysis revealed that these skeletons don't belong to one group. They come from vastly different genetic populations, different centuries, and possibly different continents. What you'll learn in this episode. Roopkund Lake sits at 16,500 feet in the Indian Himalayas and was first discovered in 1942 by Ranger Hari Kishan Madwal. Here are the key facts. Roopkund Lake sits at 16,500 feet, 5,029 meters, in the Uttarakhand Himalayas and contains the remains of 600 to 800 individuals. The site was first discovered in 1942 by British-era forest ranger Hari Kishan Madwal during World War II. A 2019 Nature Communications study revealed DNA from 3 distinct genetic populations: South Asian, Eastern Mediterranean, Greek-related, and Southeast Asian. Radiocarbon dating shows the skeletons arrived in at least 2 major waves around the 9th century CE and between the 17th-20th centuries. If this video made you see the world a little differently, please subscribe and click the bell. New wonders arrive every week. We'll see you in the next one.